Looking to cook that perfect pork crackle? Then this is the video for you. Now don't forget, every using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Now, when cooking a pork loin roast, the hardest battle is getting that crispy crackle to perfection. So in this video, we're going to be getting that perfect pork loin crackle and that perfect pork loin roast. Let's dive straight into it. Right, so now the pork loin's done, it wouldn't be right without checking out how that crackle did. So let's check it out. Now don't forget, every using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. That pork loin turned out really nice and the crackle turned out superb. Still struggling to find the quickest way to get that pork nice and dry and get that crackle? Check out this video next. And those of you looking for the easiest way to clean your new Q1200N, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.